I made $56,000 with this program. I made $23,000 with this program. So that's about $79,000.
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, it's choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat.
What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of WolvesAcademy.com, the Wolf of Marketing. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and make it short, sweet, simple, and to the point. What is the best way to make money online in 2020? So let's go ahead and step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, first and foremost, guys, what is the actual method? It's the method that I've used to make my first 6 figures online. So just to show you guys some of my income streams within this specific thing that I'm going to be breaking down to you guys, I made $56,000 with this program. I made $23,000 with this program. So that's about $79,000. And then I made $24,000 with this program, which is 24,000 plus 79. That's like $103,000 with those 3 programs alone. And guys, basically what I do, guys, I have multiple income streams within this specific thing that I'm going to be talking about, but we're talking about affiliate marketing, guys. Instead of just talking about affiliate marketing, what it is, right? I want to go ahead and actually compare it to the main ways to make money online nowadays, right? And then help you guys make an educated decision to see if this is actually for you. And then I'm going to go ahead and actually show you guys how to get started, because a lot of people ask me all the time, well, Eric, how do I get started? So first and foremost, let's go ahead and compare it to drop shipping. So basically affiliate marketing, let's understand what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is when you get paid to refer other people's products. So the cool thing about affiliate marketing is that there's no inventory. With drop shipping, there's no inventory. You don't have to own a product with affiliate marketing. You don't have to own a product with drop shipping, right? Now, what is the main difference between affiliate marketing and drop shipping? Now, me being very transparent with you guys, drop shipping, one thing that I do like about drop shipping is it does have fast cash flow, meaning is if you generate a sale today, you can get paid 2 to 3 days from now. Affiliate commissions take anywhere from like 1 to 2 weeks, unless you have some sort of affiliate program that does pay out instantly, that there is. But some of the biggest problems with drop shipping is that when it comes to drop shipping, there's cost of goods, right? So when I was generating $24 a sale, right, a large portion of my money was being spent on the actual product. So $8 was being spent on the product. So if we do the math there, that's already 33% of my profit margins gone, right? So now it's kind of like almost earning 66% commissions. But not only that, right, I'm going to have to pay for people to actually fulfill my orders, right? So I'm going to go ahead and have to pay when an order is shipped. Once I'm starting to scale, once an order is purchased, I have to ship it off. And then the most painful part of drop shipping, and I'm speaking from experience, guys, I've done this. I haven't made crazy money with it, but I got up to $500 per day with it. The most annoying part was customer service. The guys, people complain like a mother effer, right? So with dropshipping, you have to deal with customer service, and you necessarily don't have to, but you're either gonna have to do it yourself or you're gonna have to pay somebody else to do it. So there's just a whole bunch of other expenses as far as people fulfilling your orders, handling customer service, profit margins are cut because of the actual cost of goods, so on and so forth. To where when you see people who are doing drop shipping, they'll be like, oh, I'm making 50K, 100K a month. But at the end of the day, like, what are the real profit margins? 10 to 20%. So with affiliate marketing, on the other hand, why I like affiliate marketing is because you don't have to deal with customer service. The company who owns the product does. You don't have to deal with like fulfilling orders or anything like that. They're usually digital products. So as soon as somebody makes a purchase, they get immediate access to the product. And as far as any customer service, the company deals with that. And there is no cost of goods. So for example, I promote an affiliate product that has 100% commission payouts, which is this one right here. So it has 100% commission payouts. I made $56,000 and that's liquid, right? There's no cost of goods there. And it does have a fast turnaround because I'm collecting my own payments. So compared to drop shipping more scalable, you're gonna see numbers faster, but right, there's a whole bunch of extra things that I'll be willing to take a small cut in income if I don't have to deal with all the extra bull crap that drop shipping comes with. Now, Amazon FBA, what is fulfillment by Amazon? Amazon FBA is basically when you go ahead and buy inventory. And when you buy inventory, you're going to go and store it within an Amazon location. And then within that location, once people actually make a purchase off of your Amazon listing, they're going to go ahead and fulfill it, right? So fulfilled by Amazon. Amazon will fulfill it. Now, the biggest problem is drop shipping and affiliate marketing is better than that because you don't have to have the inventory with affiliate marketing and drop shipping. What's the problem with inventory? If it doesn't sell, it sits there. If it sits there, it collects dust. If it doesn't sell, that is your money that is literally just being held there, right? So if I spend $2,000 on dog collars and I thought it was a good product, but it wasn't, and nobody's buying it, okay, that's $2,000 that's down the drain, number one. Number two is, again, cost of goods, right? So literally, if I'm selling this product for $40, but it cost me $10, right? That's 25% of my profit margin is already gone, right? And then obviously you're gonna go ahead and have to pay Amazon as well, and you're gonna have to deal with customer service and a whole bunch of other stuff, right? So compared to affiliate marketing, not only is it better because you don't have to deal with the customer service, the cost of goods, but there's also no inventory, right? So you don't have to buy it up front. With drop shipping, that's even better than Amazon FBA because you don't have to buy it up front. And then the next one is social media marketing agency. Now, guys, believe it or not, I'm giving you guys like I want to help you guys make an educated decision. I actually do like creating a social media marketing agency. My favorite part about that is that with the social media marketing agency, you really don't need a lot of startup capital. All you have to do is provide some sort of marketing service like Facebook ads or something along those lines, like learn a skill set and then get clients, right? So two of the things that may kind of like steer you guys away from creating an agency is you guys have to generate clients. How do you generate clients? You have to sell people, right? So if you don't like to sell people, that's definitely not for you because that's the only way you're going to get clients. You have to convince them to actually make a purchase with you to actually provide your service. Another thing that I don't like about an agency is that you have to work for somebody, right? That's why I don't have a job, because I don't want to work for people. So with affiliate marketing, I don't have to work for anybody. I can choose whether I decide to promote the product or not. And there's systems that you could put in place to where you're literally not, you don't have to do any sales, right? There's sales videos that do all the selling. So social media marketing agency, definitely fast cash flow because you can go ahead and recurring revenue because you have clients, but you do have to fulfill those fulfill those obligations. You have to work for somebody and you have to do some selling, right? Now, when it comes to consulting, the biggest thing with consulting is if you're a beginner online, chances are you're not an expert in anything. So how are you going to go in and consult somebody with that? So affiliate marketing, you could be a completely brand new beginner and start promoting products and get results. And last but not least, is a freelancer. So what is a freelancer? A freelancer is when you find clients, you're doing like graphic design, you're doing like website creation, so on and so forth. But I just don't like it because I don't like being told what to do. So you're essentially working for somebody. You're getting clients to work for them. Cool thing about being a freelancer, no startup capital, right? Bad thing about a freelancer, you got to find clients and you got to go ahead and work for people. So a freelancer is kind of like an agency. So all in all, guys, when you compare apples to oranges, affiliate marketing by far is the best way to make money online in 2019 or 2020. However, that's 100% a biased opinion, but that's my opinion and I'm creating the video. So I'm just breaking down to you guys why I believe so. Next, how do you actually get started? So guys, very simple to get started, basically 5 easy steps. All you're gonna do is pick a niche, right? So do you wanna do health, wealth, romance? What type of products do you wanna go and promote? If you need help figuring out what niche you wanna go, you can go to somewhere like clickbank.com. So I'll actually show you guys, if I was to go to clickbank.com, they're gonna go ahead and have something on ClickBank and you're gonna go to notice categories. So these categories right here are basically niches, right? So to show you guys an example of the niche that I'm in as an affiliate would be like e-business and e-marketing, which is basically the make money online niche. So a lot of these programs that you can promote as an affiliate are basically gonna go ahead and teach people how to make money online. So for example, the affiliate marketing niche. If I click this niche right here, it's gonna go ahead and allow me to kind of like promote these products. And then all you would do is go to the affiliate marketplace and then look for those type of products. Now, I'm not gonna go into crazy detail. That's just a quick example of how you guys can find a niche. These are literally the categories right here. You go to the affiliate marketing place and you go crazy. Cool. Next is once you find out the type of products you wanna go and promote, you wanna go and find an offer. So you can use platforms like ClickBank and then find offers, let's just say in the e-business and e-marketing niche. And then I can literally search and shop for offers, right? So you can go ahead and literally find one of these offers, see which one pays out a good commission, see which one has good upsells, has a good sales videos and good marketing materials, right? And then that's aligned with your brand that you're trying to build as an affiliate. Or you guys can promote other programs. I usually don't promote ClickBank products. I have made money with ClickBank, but majority of my money has been made promoting like business opportunities and things along those lines. For example, $56,000 with this one, $24,000 with this one, and then $23,000 promoting the ClickFunnels software, right? So next is, and if you guys want to get access to my recommended affiliate programs, there will be in the description recommended affiliate programs down below. Next is you want to go in and set up sales automation. So ClickFunnels is basically a marketing software, right? I promote this product, but I actually use this product to set up sales automation. So for example, one of my sales funnels is ericsnewbook.com. So basically what I'm doing is I'm giving away a free book, and then there's going to be, so this is called a 3-step sales funnel. So free book, and then you can say eric@gmail.com after somebody decides to get access to the free book. And this is just a software that automates your sales process, and it allows you to collect leads so that we can automate your follow-up process with email marketing as well. And then within the 39-second video, I'm going to go ahead and say, hey, your free book is on its way. While it's waiting, check this out. And then I'm going to be recommending an affiliate program. So the affiliate program that this sales video is actually selling, right, is this program right here. So that's where I made $56,000. And the next step, guys, is basically now I set up my systems, which is my email marketing automation. So as soon as somebody puts in their email to that sales funnel, I'm going to follow them with email marketing automatically. Not only that, right, is this completely automating my sales process, right? They go through, they put in their email, then they get access to the sales video. A percentage are going to buy, a percentage don't. However, the next thing is once we have that stuff set up, next thing is we need to go ahead and drive traffic. Now, one of my main sources of traffic is YouTube content creation. So what I do is I create content that is congruent with the product that I'm selling. So people are interested in making money online. So I'm simply, or that's what my product teaches. So I'm creating that type of content, hence this video. And another thing, guys, you guys can do paid advertisement like solo ads if you guys are doing in the Make Money Online niche. If you guys aren't, you guys can learn Facebook ads, Google ads, it doesn't matter. You guys can create any type of ad. Just learn how to drive traffic. Guys, the number one important part of this whole thing is learning how to drive traffic, because with no traffic, you have no visitors. With no visitors, you have no prospective buyers. With no prospective buyers, you have nobody who's going to go and buy your stuff. And nobody buys your stuff, you make no money. Next is, once you start making money, you want to go ahead and actually reinvesting your money back into paid advertising. So what you're going to do, 2 ways you want to go and reinvest your money. You want to go and reinvest into a team. So for example, if let's just say you started doing YouTube and you start generating affiliate commissions from your YouTube, then you want to go ahead and actually start investing a little bit of that money to start freeing up your time. So for example, I don't edit my YouTube videos. I don't edit my thumbnails, right? I brought on a team member, a partner that helps me free up my time. So I pay them and they help me by saving my time by making those edits. But guys, where does that money come from? That money comes from the money that I'm earning from driving traffic to my affiliate offers. And then I'm reinvesting it back into my business. So I'm bringing on a team to free up my time, and I'm also reinvesting that money into paid advertisements so that way I can go and start scaling up my income. So reinvest your money back into your business. Now, you guys are probably wondering, well, how do I actually put all this stuff together? Well, I created a free training, right? You guys are going to need a mentor, right, to go ahead and basically save you time and money. So you can either figure out this yourself, or you guys can click the first link in the description. Literally just go ahead and click the link down below. There's going to be a button down below. Click that button. Once you go ahead and click that button, it's going to go ahead and allow you to literally watch a free training that will show you how to execute this step by step, and how you can work with me and how I can go ahead and be your mentor and show you how to reverse engineer what I did to make my first 6 figures online. I'm literally going to go ahead and show you exactly what I did to make 6 figures and show you how you can go ahead and duplicate what I did and get similar results. So if that interests you, if you want to go ahead and make money online and you're tired of working a job and you want to be your own boss and you want to live life on your own terms, take me up on that offer, grab access to that free training, click the link down below, click the button down below, first link in the description, so on and so forth. Take action, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Now, aside from that, right, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and make sure to hit the subscribers button to join the family. Hit that notifications bell to get notified every time I drop new heat. And if you guys want to go ahead and follow my day-to-day life, I post daily stories, and every time or a couple times per week, I post some fire content on my Instagram at Eric Ellis Jr. Look forward to seeing you there. Take action on the links down below, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. As always, Eric Ellis Jr., the Wolf of Marketing, checking out.
All my dogs, peace. All my moms, deep. Get in your